knee down as I step forward on the same side leg. I step, I push, and I squat down with my shin over his thigh. Okay? Not over the groin, over the thigh. Make sure you're like right over the middle of his thigh, between the knee and the hip bone. This arm goes under. Okay? I'm keeping my head directly over his chest right now. I'm not letting this happen, where my head sways to the side. Keep my head directly over the chest. And now I'm going to get this thumb in the collar. If I can't reach, I feed. Boom. Okay? The deeper I get this grip, the better. And now it's all about driving forward and basically making his knee touch his chin. I drive my weight forward. And now I'm going to walk around wide base, knees off the ground just like before, chest forward, head up, and let my elbow slide over his head and block the hip. Okay? I think let's start with that. There's another piece to this that's very, very important, equally as important as this pathway, but if we don't really understand this path, the other one won't make any sense at all. So let's start with this. So one more time, we're here. If I'm going to pass the other way, I step with this one, push with this one, I squat down, bring my shin over his thigh. At the same time, I'm hugging on this side. I don't want his leg on my bicep, because it's going to be very tough to reach his collar. Okay? I want his leg on my shoulder. Because even if I can't reach the collar, I can lean my body weight forward, and now I can reach. See that? It's hard for him to stop that. So I lean, I reach, or I can let go, feed the collar, thumb in, the deeper the better. I make the knee touch the shin. And now I start to move to the side, chest forward, elbow over the head. Don't forget to bring the elbow over so he can't shrink away, he can't get his head away. Oh. And when you see it again, you guys good?
At what point do you let go of the collar? Or at what point would it be safe to let go of the collar?
I would say, I go 1, 2, as soon as the leg passes over my head, I let go. As soon as the leg passes over. That's pretty much the point of no return. Yeah. You could keep it. It's not wrong to keep it. Sometimes you'll keep it, especially if you feel the person trying to roll away from you, you'll keep it, you'll drop your elbow so he actually chokes himself. He runs that way. Keep my elbow down, chokes himself. So it's not wrong to keep it, but for our partner's sake, instead of just like leaning with our forearm on his neck, I bring my arm over and hug the neck. Make sense? Cool. Anyone else questions? Good? All right, let's give it a shot. 1, 2, 3, go.